right, let's look at another problem of partial fraction. So we have this: express 2x squared plus 18x plus 31 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 into partial fraction. So the first thing we observe is that the order of the numerator is the same as the order of the denominator. So what do we do in each case? In this kind of problem, we divide the numerator by the denominator first, all right, so as to reduce the order of the numerator. So we use a long division method. So so it is this divided by this, so this will be the b inside, and this will be the divisor. So now let's start. 2x squared divided by x squared is what? 2. So we multiply again. 2 times x squared, 2x squared, 2 times 5x plus 10x, all right, 2 times 6 plus 12. So we introduce minus, all right. So this minus will apply to all the signs. So this will become minus, this will become minus, minus times plus minus, minus times plus minus. So 2x squared will cancel out 2x squared. So this is 18x squared minus 10x. So we have 8x. 31 minus 12. We have this is plus 19. All right. So now that we have divided it, you see that we have this. So we are good. So we rewrite that question: 2x squared plus 18x plus 31 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 is the same, equals to now you look for your quotient. The quotient we got here, what's the quotient here? 2. So this will be 2 plus, all right. Now the remainder, which is 8, this is 8x plus 19, then over x squared plus 5x plus 6. All right. So now, because if we solve this together now, we're going to get this back. You understand? So now this is what you now resolve as your partial fraction. So now let's start. Let's continue. So we are taking this part out. All right. So we have 8x plus 19 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now let's resolve them to partial fraction. So let's factorize the denominator. 19 over. So this is, so when we factorize it, we're going to have, this is 6. So we have 2 and 3. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. All right. So this is going to be 8x plus 19 over, this is x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3. All right. So finally, we're going to have 8x plus 19 over x plus 2, then x plus 3. All right. So now we factorize them. So this will be, now this can be broken down into a over x plus 2 plus, because it can be is factorizable, then b over x plus 3. All right. So we'll use the same approach now. To get our a, we put the denominator equal to be 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0. Then plus 2, take it to the other side. So x equals to minus 2. All right. So x is minus 2. So 8x plus 19 equals to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2. All right. So we now substitute the value of x. So we have 8 into minus 2 plus 19 equals to a minus 2 plus 3 plus b minus 2 plus 2. All right. So this is minus 16 plus 19 equals to a minus 2 plus 3 is 1. All right. So this will go to 0. So this is, so minus 16 plus 19 is 3. So a is 3. All right. Now, in order to get our b, we also put the denominator to be 0. So x plus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 3. All right. So we substitute the value of x. So we have, once again, x into minus 3 plus 19 equals to a minus 3 plus 3 plus b into minus 3 plus 2. All right. So we have minus 3 times 8 is minus 24 plus 19 equals to, this will go to 0. Then we have b into minus 1. All right. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So we have minus 24 plus 19, which is minus 5. So minus 5 equals to minus b. So minus will knock out each other. So b equals to 5. So finally, don't forget to, so finally, 8x plus 19 equals to x plus 2. 8x plus 19 over x plus 2, x plus 3, which is equal to, so what's my value of a? My value of a is 3 over x plus 2 plus b. B is 5, then over x plus 3. Now, don't forget that we have in the equation, we separated it, this part. Don't forget this part. It is 2. You understand? So finally, 2x squared plus 18x plus 31 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to, now this 2, don't forget to, we are following the same equation. This 2, this equals to 2 plus, now this one, we have resolved this one into partial fraction. 8x plus 19. We have resolved it, and this is it. So now plus 3 over x plus 2 plus 5 over x plus 3. So that is it. So thank you guys. Please watch this video closely, and please leave your comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.